In this video, I'll be using the formula for continuous compound interest, and I'll be solving for an exponent, either r or t. In this example, I'll be solving for t. If an initial investment of $3,700 earns 9% compounded continuously, for how long will the money need to remain invested before it will grow to $5,000? This formula, A is the ending amount, P is the initial principal, E is a number, the natural base, 2.718, ... R is the rate as a decimal, and T is time in years. And so we will be solving for T in this example. So the ending amount is $5,000. Let's put the numbers in, the numbers that we have. The initial principal is $3,700 times E to the R, that's 0.09, and then T is what we don't know. So we'll leave that as the variable T. Again, E is not a variable here. We just write it shorthand E. It's a kind of like we write pi, the symbol pi for 3.14159 ... E also is like that. We use a letter just to denote that. It's a number that goes on forever, an irrational number. Okay, how are we going to solve this thing? Well, this entire part right here has to stay together for a while because of order of operations. So we're going to divide each side by 3,700. Let's do that real quick, and we're going to get some decimals. I'll round at a certain place. I'll just say it's 1.35135, and it repeats. 351 repeats, but I'll just round there, and then that equals E to the 0.09 t. Now when we need to solve for an exponent, what we can do is play this trick of taking the natural log of each side. You can take log of any base, but the natural log, that's log base e, or ln on your calculator, will do something special with this e, so that's nice. So the natural log, and I'm going to leave that here on the left hand side, I'm just going to write the natural log of 1.35135, and then that equals, now here's a nice little thing. Let's change colors here. This natural log of e to a base, or the log of something to a base, lets us take that base and move it out front. So this is 0.09 t times the natural log of e. And furthermore, the reason we did the natural log is the natural log of e is just 1. You can type that into your calculator to test it. The natural log of e is just 1. So what we're left with here is just this part right here, the 0.09 t. So 0.09 t. Now all we have to do is divide each side by 0.09. So in your calculator, you would type this. You would type the natural log parentheses 1.35135 close parentheses, and then divide by 0.09. Very, very important that you close the parentheses right here. Close these parentheses before you divide by the 0.09. Okay, what does that equal? Well, that equals our time, so that equals approximately 3.35 years. It will take approximately 3.35 years, or about 3 years, 4 months. So I hope that example helped.